Right, guys. So, yeah, you're surprised. No wonder we have been. Just appreciate the fact that I'm back. Yeah, I'll give you guys the whole breakdown of how life has been, how trading has been, how everything has been. Right now, I'm going to be getting ready to go to the gym. Then I'm going to come back into the chats and we'll have a talk. But right now, let me just show you what's going on. Like, I did an analysis early this morning, and I was basically hoping that price will play around. Then by London, we can strip these Asian lows. Then get into this gold buys. But gold had other plans. Let me just show you guys. So as you can see, this was the analysis I did. So the very quick analysis, just based off little understanding. I was expecting price to play around a little longer around here. Then by 8 p.m. can sweep 8 a.m. we sweep this level into this demand zone that I have right here. Then buy up. But funny thing now is with Asian ending timing, it can be confusing sometimes because some people end their Asian session around 6 a.m. So this could also be valid, but not me. I would have liked it to happen around 8 a.m. open, so I can be sure that the London session has started with its volume. But yeah, this is what we have, and price has started moving. So I'm waiting for price to break this level to show me that buyers are really serious about what they are showing, and I can think of taking the buys higher. So I decided to not risk early on this trade. But yeah, guys, a lot has happened in the past 2 months. I know I was doing a series on my prop firm and my evaluation challenge, and I did probably just 2 videos, and that's before disappeared. But yeah, let me go to the gym. I'll probably take you guys along to the gym since I'll be going pretty early this morning. If I even run late, I should get going 7 o'clock already. So let's get going to the gym, man. So I'll also be going to do my hair today, probably after the gym, so later in the day. So let's get going. Alright guys, so I just got back from the gym. I'm about to have my bath. Then when I get to the office, I'll show you guys the charts and we'll talk. I have a number of things to do today, so let me get going. I'll see you guys very soon. So apparently my phone died at the gym, so I couldn't do more recording at the gym or on my way back. So that's where we are right now. So alright guys, so finally I've entered the charts and it's currently 3:24. Today is just very funny because I decided to take a nap because I was very tired, and today is Monday now, so I'm never eager to trade on a Monday. So I decided to take a nap and come back to the chart to see what's happening. I rested for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Yeah, let me just say 1 hour. And everything good has happened in the markets. Everything good. Every single thing good. And let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is gold. This was the trade I had in the morning. I was waiting for this to happen 7 to 8 a.m. but it happened around 6:35. So I just let this trade twist in and move. Then London session came. I was at the gym from pre-London into London session, so I didn't see any of this happening. But when I came back, I saw that this level is available. Then there's also a good liquidity around that same area. The price can use and will most likely use to continue the buys. So I marked it on my phone. I just drew this one on my computer, but yeah, I marked this on my phone when I saw that. So I just put this on my phone, and it was just a crazy experience because if you look at it now, this is exactly 135 that price came back to the zone to mitigate and move. Then if I show you GBP USD, this was 135. The price came back to my area of interest and moved. Of course, this is a more conservative and sensible target. I will give you 10 hour return. 10 hour return. So price came and around 135 also. Then if I show you EU, what time did you come? 130, 135. 130, 135. So all these trades played out at the exact same time. All of them played out at the exact same time. And I decided to be sleeping at that time. But yeah, I have no regrets. I would, of course, I'd rather I took those trades and capitalized on the move. But at this point, it's just even interesting to see that okay, my buy setups played out, and I could look for more buys to capitalize. But I would like to see how the day ends, how the daily candle closes, and what the market is targeting, especially on GU and on gold. Because on gold, I'm expecting the buys to continue. I have a level that price has been respecting, and I'm waiting for price to practically close above that level. So if today gives me that, I already know what I'm looking for tomorrow and for the rest of the week. So okay, I don't think price has already closed above this zone. Let me take out my arrows. Let me show you. So this is the support and resistance level. Not regular support and resistance. Don't worry, not complicating things here. Just regular support and resistance level that I use in my trading as extra confidence, and that's because they do work on gold heavily. If you look at this now, we resisted this level, came up, came back down to resist it, to support the price, went up. Also psychological levels that I just put slightly. These things are not the major things in my trading, but I leave them there because they are good confidences. But support and resistance on gold in particular is a major part of my gold trading. So this level now has respected price, came here, rejected, it came down here, it went up, and it didn't close above, it came back down. But because of my overall bias, since the last support level here, around a good psychological level. So when it came back down, I had a 1 hour zone here. That's where I put my entry, but because of time, I didn't get that. That was the entry that happened in the early morning. So now, with this that I've seen, my setting price to clear this high, then potentially we'll see more price action after this whole liquidity is taken, and see what gold is planning to do around this area. If we're going to drop more because of this sweep and retracement to clear out this liquidity, or we're going to retrace into something here that will take us to new highs. Because new highs from this swing point. So let's see how this week plays out. Let's see how this week goes. We're not rushing into anything. We're not trying to force the market to do anything. What we're willing to do right now is just watch and execute accordingly. Let's see if this is on. Alright. So we'll have to watch and follow price and do. When we see our model, we'll execute accordingly and potentially possibly make money. But right now I have other things to do. I have to go out now to get a bridge for my guitar. And when I come back, I have a site I'm currently designing and have to develop. So I'll come in and try to get that done. Then if I see anything on the chat again, I might just come back here and show you guys. Then yes, I'll come back to talk about my challenge accounts and how those played out, what I'm doing right now concerning my funding goals and my funding journey. I'll talk to you all about that. This is just real life, you know, it's real life. You just have to keep showing up and picking yourself up when you fall. Fall 7 times, stand up 8 times. That's just it. I'll catch you guys. I'll be right back and just head out and get things I need to do done. Alright.